Bear, and
Okay. Hi, I'm Colton. And I'm with my mom. And I love my mama.
we are the
Dinosaur Boys. And today we're doing some dares from my mom. And I'm Colton.
Yeah.
Woo-hoo.
Up first is Colton. I dare you to be a monkey.
So it's my dare.
Okay, the first challenge, dare is for Kasten. And you are to walk like a crab as fast as you can and try to not get hit by the ball.
Really?
Yep.
Oh, snap.
Go.
Oh, snap.
Oh, you didn't even make it.
Mommy, it's my turn. Mom, it's my turn.
Okay, Bear. Are you ready? Your dare is to do the hokey pokey without singing it.
I don't know.
Here, I'll help.
I've never done the hokey pokey.
Well, get up and try it anyway.
How? Somebody teach me.
Here, I'll do the hokey pokey.
Oh, I know it.
Do that. And then you turn yourself around. No, you put your left foot in. You put your left foot out.
Here, Bear, I'll help.
But I'm supposed to do it without singing it. Who knows the hokey pokey?
Me. No. Me.
Okay, Kasten, you do it.
What about it? Yeah, we don't know it. I do.
Do you know the rest of it?
Alright, watch.
I do.
You're singing. Okay, Hayden, your dare, for everybody who's tuning in, is to eat the yogurt without using your hands. Go. Come on, boy.
You like it? I can't even do that. Hayden, you got some on your nose.
I don't know.
Yeah. This is hilarious.
You do better than that? You do better than that?
You want me to
Come
shove
on.
it all in your mouth?
Put some effort into it.
And two. Come on, put that tongue in. Put that tongue. You don't like it. Put that tongue in. He doesn't like it, Mom. He can't do it. It's hard. Don't do it. Want me to tip it for you?
Back up.
He can't do it.
Come on.
Mom, he can't reach the yogurt. It's hard.
I'm trying to lick you like a dog.
Like a dog. You make it like that. You mean like a dog? Hey. A dog. Hey.
All right, Bear, are you ready?
Yeah.
Your dare is to fill your mouth up with marshmallows as much as you can, and then sing Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star.
Okay.
And your assistant over here is going to try and help too.
Twinkle, twinkle.
Go. Shh, Kasten, hush. Put them all in there. Don't eat it. Just fill it up.
Just take a big handful and more.
Come on. Come on. Put some more in there. You can do it. You got a big old mouth. Come on.
I could do it. Can I do it?
No. Come on, Bear. Put some more in. You're eating them. That defeats the whole purpose. Sing.
Twinkle, twinkle, little
Ew. Cole, what do you look like? Can you sing Twinkle, Twinkle?
in your face, say.
All right. Next person. All right, Kasten, your dare is to take this ice cube and hold it in your hand for as long as you can, hopefully till it melts. One hand.
Now walk around. You gotta walk around.
Why is he gonna walk around?
It beats the coldness.
But I can't record him good if he's running around. One hand. One hand.
One hand.
It's
only
cold.
You haven't even had it that long.
Yes, it is. Ice is cold.
It's melting.
Keep going.
Can
I take a bite of
it? I'll take a juggle. That'll be funner.
Is it cold?
Yes. Wow. Boys.
Nope.
I need something to drink.
Do you give up?
Mommy, can I do it?
All right, go put it in the sink.
Mommy,
And everybody get around the table for your next dare.
what's the next dare, Mom?
Okay, Hayden,
Oh no.
you need, your dare, is to act like a horse and a chicken at the same time.
Wait.
I don't want to. I want to do it. I want it.
Okay, Colton.
I'll do it. I can do it. No, I can't
All right, you did it. Next dare. Okay, Bear, your dare is going to be hold a spoon, balance it on your nose for 20 seconds. Ready, set, go.
I can't. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh my God.
All right, Kayston, you're up now. Your dare is to put both hands on your head and jump up and down on one leg for 20 seconds. Bear, you count him down.
1,
Both hands on your head.
20, 29, 28, 27, 26.
What are you doing? Do you not know how to count down from 20?
21,
No,
20,
both hands.
20, 19, 18, 17. You're not doing it.
Both hands on your head.
18, 17, 15, 13, 14, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. He stopped. He landed on his own toe. He stopped. I would do it.
And Kayston lost.
I would do it.
Okay, for Hayden's dare, as you can see, we have lemon juice. And it's in this teaspoon. Hayden has to drink a teaspoon of lemon juice.
Whole thing?
The whole thing.
No.
Put it in that mouth. Ready? I'll count down for you.
Little.
5. Quit spilling it or I'll fill it back up. 4. 3. Oh.
I would do it. Need some water?
Yes.
No.
Is it that bad?
Yes.
No, I don't.
Okay, Bear, are you ready? Your dare is to draw a stick man using only your mouth.
That's cool.
I can do one.
Try to circle first.
It'll be easy. I want to do it.
Now try again.
This is hard.
Well, try. Come on.
A lot of artists can do that.
Mama, I want to do it. Mom, please get left for dead.
Do you give up?
And plus that laptop's gonna be mine soon.
I don't give a... That's easy to pronounce.
That's a little easy.
Mama, I want to do it. Mama, I want to do it. Mom, can I do it?
Kayston, your dare is to act like a gorilla and dig bugs out of one of your brother's hair.
No,
What? Not mine.
I'm going to pretend it. I'm going to fake it. Is there any?
No.
Stay tuned